Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily hide or easily make all of your Facebook photos private in a single click on your Facebook app. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake, and you can follow the exact same steps if you are on an iPhone or an Android. And if you will be able to make your photos private in a single click, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. So first of all, open up the Facebook app and then tap on your profile on the bottom right corner, and then tap on that gear icon on the top right corner, or you can simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy and again tap on settings. It will take you to a new page where you'll have to scroll down all the way until you find activity log in your activity section. Right here, tap on it and then click on public posts on the top left, and then click on all right here to select all your Facebook posts, and then you'll have to click on these three dots on the bottom right and then hit change audience. Now you have selected all of your Facebook public posts, and then you'll have to change audience again and then click only me and then hit change. Now all of your Facebook posts have been made private and only you will be able to see them, you will be able to like them, and you will be able to share them. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.